Ahead of Amit Shah's visit, Puneri-style protest banners were appeared in Pune's Pashan area. One banner that has carried a sarcastic message. The banner that carried a sarcastic message, yours to take, ours to cart. The wording is being seen as an indirect criticism of the government and has sparked the discussion across the city. Amit Shah's Pune visit has turned into a political showdown before he arrived. Congress is preparing to protest. BJP has announced a counter-protest at very same location. Shiv Sena Shinde has already taken out Jan Arakshan Morcha against the Pune Municipal Corporation. And now, controversially, Puneri-style banners have added more fuel to the fire. Is Pune becoming the center of Maharashtra's biggest political face-off? Union Home Minister Amit Shah is scheduled to visit Pune on August 1st to present the prestigious Lokmanya Tilak Award to National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. But instead of the focus remaining on the award ceremony, the city has witnessed a fresh political battle. The Congress has announced a protest at Seven Love Chowk at Shankar Shet Road. The party says the demonstration is against the alleged police action on students who protested at Jantar Mantar in Delhi. According to the Congress, students were lathi charged during the protest, and even after the protest ended, cases were registered against several participants over there. The party also alleged that the students were arrested and their families were being harassed. Congress leader Prashant Jagtap said the protest is against what the party calls the government authoritarian attitude. But the BJP has hit back immediately to this. BJP's Pune city president Dheeraj Ghate has announced that his party will hold a counter-protest at the same Seven Love Chowk. He has demanded that if the Congress is allowed to protest, then BJP should also receive permission for its demonstration over there. Ghate has also warned that if anyone attempts to disturb the city's atmosphere, the BJP will be responding accordingly. Meanwhile, the political temperature had already risen after Shiv Sena Shinde faction organized a Jan Arakshan Morcha against the administration of Pune Municipal Corporation. The party raised several issues, including the alleged disappearance of the important civic files, the reported theft of LED street lights, and what it described as unfair treatment of long-serving contract workers. As if the political confrontation was not enough, another development has grabbed public attention. Ahead of Amit Shah's visit, Puneri-style protest banners were appeared in Pune's Pashan area. One banner that has carried a sarcastic message. The banner that carried a sarcastic message, yours to take, ours to cart. The wording is being seen as an indirect criticism of the government and has sparked the discussion across the city. With the protest, counter-protest and symbolic banner campaigns unfolding together, security agencies are expected to remain on high alert during the Amit Shah's Pune visit. But the big question is now, will August 1st remain focused on the Lokmanya Tilak Award ceremony, or will the political protest dominate the headlines? Now we have to see what exactly will be happening on August 1st. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.